Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're looking into the IPSY Icon box. Specifically, the August one, curated by Ash K. Holm.
Right. The celebrity makeup artist.
Yeah, exactly. So the idea is celebrity expertise meets, well, a big discount. Our mission today, does that $350 claimed value for, what, $67, does it actually hold up? And maybe more importantly, does that kind of Hollywood glamour mean real value for, for you listening?
Yeah, it's definitely an attractive pitch. You get this box of stuff picked by someone whose clients pay, well, a lot for a single look.
We're talking Ash K. Holm, yeah. IPSY's chief celebrity MUA.
That's her. 15 years in the business. Clients like the Kardashians, Ariana Grande, Megan Fox, you name it.
That's a serious resume.
It is. And they sort of package that expertise up and put it in a box for you.
Okay, but let's pause there. IPSY's about scale, right? Volume. It's not really bespoke artistry for each subscriber.
Yeah.
So we need to kind of separate the artist's reputation from whether these specific products work for the average person. But first, let's just look at the box mechanics. It's quarterly.
Yeah.
Replaces your regular IPSY bag that month. And it costs $67, which that's up recently, wasn't it, from $60?
Yeah, that price did jump. So you are paying a bit more for this curated experience.
And the promise is, what, 8 full-size products?
8 full-size, yeah. With a guaranteed value up to $350. And look, we checked the math. The value claim, it holds up. It really is about an 80% discount off retail.
Wow, okay. 80% is huge.
It is. But that brings up a key point, right? How is that sustainable? Is IPSY just incredibly smart at buying? Or are these luxury brands maybe, using this channel to move extra inventory?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Because when you look at what's in the box, it doesn't immediately scream clearance.
No.
You got things like a Patrick T eyeshadow palette that's like $70 retail.
$70, yeah.
Yeah.
And a Dr. Brandt face oil for $72. These aren't drugstore brands.
Definitely not. I mean, just thinking about spending $70 on one palette makes my palms sweat a little.
Right, so the box makes those high-end, maybe slightly risky purchases feel more accessible. But hang on. How many people really need a $70 pro-level palette for, like, complex eye sculpting? Is the dollar value real if the actual use you'll get out of it is, well, limited?
That's a fair point. The difference between pro tools and everyday stuff.
Exactly. And there were other good brands too, Makeup by Mario, Elma, so the quality seems consistent, but the products themselves often lean towards more specific, maybe advanced techniques.
Okay, so this brings us to the curator herself, Ash K. Holm. Does her involvement matter?
Well, the claim is she uses these exact products on her celebrity clients. She even called that Patrick T palette essential in Harper's Bazaar.
Oh, really? Essential for sculpting eyes, was it?
That's the quote. So it seems like the intent is genuine to give you access to what the pros are actually using, even if it might be tricky for a beginner to master.
Right, so high-quality products, pro-proved, sounds good, but there's always a catch, isn't there?
There usually is. And here it seems to be the logistics. While people generally like the products in the February and May boxes, Trustpilot reviews tell a different story about the service. Lots of complaints. Shipping delays are a big one. Customer service issues, sometimes getting the wrong items altogether.
Ugh, that's frustrating.
Yeah.
You get excited about these fancy products, and then the delivery just fumbles.
Yeah, it definitely dampens the experience.
So who is this box actually for, then? Who's the ideal customer?
Well, think about it this way. If you already get the basic IPSY Glam bag for $14 a month,
Okay.
upgrading to the Icon box once a quarter costs you about $53 extra that month, give or take.
Right, because it replaces the $14 bag.
Exactly. So for roughly $53, you're essentially sampling 7 additional high-end, full-size items you probably wouldn't just buy outright.
Okay. I see the math now.
Yeah. So if you want to build up a more high-end makeup collection, or just try out brands like Patrick T or Dr. Brandt without the full financial risks,
It makes sense.
it makes a lot of sense if you can tolerate potential shipping hiccups.
Okay, so let's wrap this up. The key findings seem to be the discount is real, the products are genuinely high quality, often pro-grade stuff, celebrity curator seems involved, but you need to be prepared for possible issues with getting the box actually delivered correctly and on time.
That's the trade-off, which leaves us with, I guess, a final question for you to think about.
Yeah?
If Ash K. Holm really does use these exact products on her A-list clients, does that connection, that specific celebrity endorsement, genuinely elevate the box beyond just a good deal? Or is it maybe just really clever marketing layered on top of what's already a fantastic way to get discounted luxury goods?
Something to chew on. Thanks for the deep dive today.
You got it.